In front of me is INFINIX Zero 30, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Password and Security. Then tap on Lock Screen Passwords and click on the best login method for you: pattern, numeric password or alphanumeric password. Then create it and repeat it to confirm it. When you finished, choose Confirm. Then answer a security question by choosing one of those options and hit Done. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can set pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!